Hello, welcome back. Today, we're here to explain what cryptocurrency mining is. From our experience, we've learned that people tend to understand better when we use analogies. So in this video, we'll be explaining what mining is using this analogy. Think of mining as gold mining, where miners dig the soil in search of precious metals. Miners invest resources like time, money, and equipment to discover valuable assets, which they can sell to make more money. The effort and difficulty increase over time as more gold is extracted. Well, this is similar to crypto mining, where crypto miners have to invest in mining machines that transform electricity into cryptocurrency. These machines are called mining rigs, and their job is to solve complex puzzles on the blockchain network in order to earn cryptocurrency. Simply put, crypto mining is the process through which new cryptocurrency coins are generated and transactions are verified and added to the blockchain network. Welcome to Crypto Made Simple, the top-notch YouTube channel for crypto education, where we explain complex cryptocurrency topics and make them as simple as a walk in the park. Just a quick reminder, this topic is explained using Bitcoin mining, which uses the proof-of-work mechanism. In proof-of-work, you need to solve complex cryptographic puzzles to get rewards. However, there are other mechanisms like proof-of-stake, which is used to mine Ethereum. In proof-of-stake, instead of solving blocks, you provide liquidity in the form of staking. You are then randomly selected to validate blocks and thus get rewarded. I don't want to load you with too much information, as it might be confusing, and I don't want to be too technical because our goal is to keep it simple. We promise to create another video to explain proof of work and proof of stake in detail. So, let's move on. Bitcoin is mined by a powerful computer known as a mining rig. This machine uses a massive amount of electricity to operate and solve cryptographic puzzles, generating cryptocurrency as a reward. Every Bitcoin you see today has passed through this mining process. When a block is solved and verified, it is then added to the blockchain. More and more blocks are solved every day and added to the chain, which is why it is called a blockchain, because the blocks are linked to each other. We actually have a video specifically about blockchain, which you can check out. As of the time this video was uploaded, each block currently contains a reward of 6.25 Bitcoin. This means that when a block is successfully mined and validated, the reward miners get is 6.25 Bitcoin. These rewards are what they get for their hard work, which is why it is called a proof-of-work mechanism, because you need to put in the work first before you can be rewarded. We have to bear in mind that each block reward not only contains 6.25 Bitcoin, but also reduces as more and more Bitcoins are mined. For example, it used to be 50 Bitcoin. As miners kept mining, a process that takes about 210,000 blocks, or roughly 4 years, leads to a Bitcoin halving. Halving means the reward for mining a block is divided by 2. Hence, it went from 50 BTC to 25 BTC, then to 12.5 BTC, and currently to 6.25 BTC. It is expected that the next halving will occur in 2024, meaning the reward will further reduce to 3.1125 BTC. As more and more BTC is minted, the reward will continue to decrease until there is no BTC left to mint. This will happen when Bitcoin reaches its 21 million coin limit. BTC is a deflationary coin, and the creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, designed the Bitcoin blockchain to accommodate just 21 million coins in the system. If this video reaches 200 comments, we are going to create a separate video about halving. This system of mining is known as hosting. I know many people who don't know about the mining process but have been mining cryptocurrency for many years just by downloading mobile apps and performing minimal actions, like clicking a specific button every day and then getting rewarded after a certain period. This process might be considered mining or could be a marketing strategy to promote a website, project, or app. To better understand what you're doing, just continue watching this video as we explain the other types of mining so that you can identify the category you fall into. Another system include cloud mining. This is a form of mining where users pass through a third party to perform certain tasks, mostly with their mobile phones. In return, the third party, who is in direct connection with the mining company, gives some of the rewards gained from the actual minted coins to the users. In this case, you are not contributing to the network directly, but are being used to promote the project, which is still beneficial. The downside of this is that most cloud mining schemes turn out to be scams or a complete waste of time and effort. As I always advise, do your own research. Next, 3. Pre-built mining. This involves purchasing or renting mining rigs that are already set up and ready to use. These rigs are often optimized for efficiency and ease of use, allowing individuals to start mining without the need to assemble or configure hardware themselves. This type of mining can be more convenient for those who lack technical expertise or do not want to deal with the complexities of setting up a mining operation. What will happen to miners when there are no more coins to mint? The obvious answer is that they will have nothing to mine, or they will just go mine other coins. But there is still something miners will keep benefiting from. Have you ever asked yourself what happens to the transaction fee when you carry out a transaction on the blockchain network? Here is the answer. Each time a coin is traded, the fee goes back to the miners. Therefore, they will continue making money, even though it will not be as much as the initial rewards from mining. So, it's a win-win. Effects of mining. Positive effects. 1. Security and integrity. Mining ensures the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network by verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. 2. Decentralization. It promotes decentralization, reducing the risk of control by a single entity and enhancing the network's resilience. 3. Economic incentives. Miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins, providing an economic incentive for people to participate in the network and maintain its functionality. You can also sell your mining rigs and recover part of the cost if you decide to stop mining. Negative effects. 1. Energy consumption. Bitcoin mining consumes a significant amount of electricity, leading to concerns about its environmental impact and sustainability. You should never mine if the amount you pay for your electricity bill is more than the value of the coins you mine. 2. Electronic waste. The high turnover of specialized mining hardware contributes to electronic waste, which poses environmental challenges. We hope this video given you a clear understanding of how mining works in the crypto world. We hope we kept it simple for you to understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it motivates us to keep bringing contents like this. Thanks for watching, and most importantly, see you in the next video.